Hello, my name is Tory Archbold and I'm the author of Self-Belief is Your Superpower. I wrote this book for women to break free of judgment, ignite the self-belief, and most importantly, find a happy heart to attract those miracles we are all searching for. You will want to share this book with your community because it has the proven formulas that I have used throughout my business and life. The first reason is this: I started Torstar, my brand communications agency, which attracted Fortune 500 companies, celebrities and influencers at the age of 24 with no media connections and no money. I built it into a super attractive business. At 44, I decided to start again. Why? Because I believed that I could to start Powerful Steps. It's a roadmap that will show each and every one of your audience how they can ignite self-belief, how they can break free of judgment, but most importantly, find happiness from within to attract the miracles they deserve. Now, I know that this book works because I'm living proof. I'm sitting here in front of you with a happy heart. I look at myself every day in the mirror and what I see lights me up because what I'm sharing and teaching with others truly does make a difference. You can tap into some powerful bonuses for your community. In fact, $499 worth. I'm actually sharing some insights from my high performance programs, and you'll be able to join a 60-minute live masterclass with me. So what are you waiting for? Now, some people refer to me as a PR powerhouse, and that is for a reason. I believe in influence and advocacy. So when you get your hands on my book, Self-Belief is Your Superpower, don't forget to share it with your community. On Instagram, on TikTok, on Book Talk if you can, LinkedIn, YouTube, and of course, Instagram stories. And please tag at Powerful Steps because I'll be sharing your influence with my community as well. With 20 years working with powerful brands, I know that collaborations work. So let's partner, reach out for a podcast swap, an IGTV live, a collab with your audience. Whatever you feel will ignite the flame within for us both to propel forward. Do not be afraid to ask. I'm open to collaborate, but most importantly, I'm open to delivering value to your audience. We have created some social emails and content for you to share with your audience. You can curate it if you want, but if you'd like to tap into the power of the words from our team, you are welcome to use them. Have any questions or require some support? Reach out to our team. We are more than happy to help you. Because once we collaborate, it is a collaboration, which means the power of both of us really leaning into what we can create will make a difference. I'd just like to say thank you for coming on this powerful journey with me. I had a dream many, many years ago to birth this book, and it doesn't happen without people like you by my side. So I just want to say thank you. I'm here to support you as much as you are supporting me. Much love, Tory.